Hello, kindergartners. We are going to discuss internet safety today. The internet is such a fun place. There's so much good information, fun games, and awesome pictures. It's also a great communication tool. The internet is a lot like visiting places in real life. When we go out to the grocery store, the mall, or a restaurant, there's certain rules we have to follow. Like always stay with your parents or adults, never wander away by yourselves, and don't talk to strangers. We should only talk to people we know. And just like in the real life, there's rules we have to follow online. Like always talk to a parent or adult before you go on a new website. Stay on websites that are just right for you, and never talk to anyone you don't know. By following these rules online, it will help keep us safe. Thanks. Bye.